Blessed thistle, scientifically known as Cnicus benedictus, has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, primarily in Europe. It is known for its prickly appearance and vibrant yellow flowers. Here are some of the primary health benefits attributed to blessed thistle. Digestive health. Blessed thistle is traditionally used to stimulate appetite and alleviate digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. It is believed to increase the secretion of gastric acid and saliva, which can help improve digestion. Anti-inflammatory properties. The plant contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory effects, which can help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially benefiting conditions such as arthritis. Antibacterial and antifungal effects. Blessed thistle has demonstrated antibacterial and antifungal properties, which could make it useful in treating infections and boosting overall immune function. Galactagogue effects. It is often used as a galactagogue to help increase milk production in breastfeeding mothers. While evidence is mostly anecdotal, some lactation consultants recommend blessed thistle for this purpose. Liver health. There is some traditional use of blessed thistle for promoting liver health and protecting against toxins, although scientific studies in this area are limited. Anti-cancer potential. Preliminary research suggests that the active compounds in blessed thistle might have anti-cancer properties, although more research is needed to confirm these effects and understand how they might be utilized in cancer treatment.